Hey, if you want to connect Pendrive into your POCO X6, for sure you can do this, but first of all, you will have to enable the OTG connection. So you will have to go to the settings. Next, you will have to scroll down and go into the additional settings. From here, scroll and open the OTG and enable it by clicking on the switcher. And now, all you have to do is just to connect your pendrive into your USB-C port. So it's quite simple. We'll have to input it just right here. And after this, we'll get this information that the USB drive is connected into our smartphone, and we can click to explore to simply open it. And here we can find storage of your pendrive. Also, when you open the file manager, you can check the USB storage from here. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.